video demonstration on the Vodcaster One and how do you connect an XLR mic such as the Rode Podmic to it. So one of the first things we want to do is we want to locate the USB-C connection here. This is what's going to provide power to your Vodcaster. Okay, so once you connect it, we can see that the light is on. The other thing we're going to need is XLR cable, and that's going to go into your mic. So let's do that right now. For this demonstration, we're showing the Rode Podmic. So we're going to connect this end. Okay, so once we have that in, we're almost ready to go. And on the back of the Vodcaster, we're going to connect this end right here. Okay, so the instrument one. I always want to make sure that your 48-volt phantom power is turned on, so we see that it's on and we're ready to go. And when we see that the mic is being picked up by those green lights, we can tap on it, we can see that it's going, and then now all it is you have to send a cable from here or here, depending. If you're going to the camera, you send it from here. If you're going to your phone, you're going to send it from here. You can also output to speakers, but that's your main connection for the Vodcaster One.